So, dito kami. And then, yan yung ano ko. So, tama yung technology nila. Oh. How they open Dana. So, iusog lang nila to. Ganito. Ayan, iusog lang to. Itong kapis. Ayan, iusog. Tapos once mausog, then they will just do this. Ayan. So, originally, mag-close lang siya. Pero, if you will do that there, it's a very good technology. Original daw to na ano, na higaan sa una. Ang goodness, ang ganda. Ayan. So, let's go there. So, may mga ito, water filter, all filter. So this is also a water filter. And then, Costiaro hose maker. Okay. Ooh, a Falconet. Ano touch on it? Hindi. Left and center, Santa Rosa Parish, Alcoy. Oh, what is this ba? Bronze. So we'll go back there later. Dai, let's go, Dai. We'll go there later. So, pati yung CR nila, oh. Ano din. Hindi ni tsura. Okay, sige. Let's go. Let's start. Oh, look at this. This is a choir book. Cantoral, sabi dito. And so, this is the book they used before sa kanta. So these are silvers. This one, oil containers daw sila. So these are silver.